we got a Yard Max. My husband's been drooling over these forever.
Oh yeah.
Okay, Apollo, move out of the way. The kids are really excited to unbox this. So we decided that we're going to do a unboxing of our wood splitter and setting it up just to show, I guess, how it's done. And I'm sure we will do a review on it once we get going. We have this big pile of wood right here we have to split. So, and the kids are going to help set everything up and all that kind of stuff. So here we go. Turn this into like a little chicken box or something because it's such a nice box. Don't you think? But, alright, Apollo, can you give it to Dad?
Ow, cut it in half. You're gonna get the. I'm gonna hold it.
No.
Dad, no. Dad, wash your hands.
So when you get your box, you just pull these little tabs up. You gotta have strong muscles.
You didn't Lysol it.
Oh yeah.
You didn't Lysol it.
It says to use a hammer to flatten them a little. I might have to get a hammer.
The kids are all worried about coronavirus. That's when we're doing all this kind of stuff right now.
Don't touch me.
And they're saying that the box needs to be Lysol.
It has to be. Peter, how dare you? What? No! Get away from me!
Guys, it's fine. It's been outside.
Mom, can I touch it?
So here's our wood splitter. It's all apart. So we're going to have to put it together.
Can I get at these tabs here?
And the kids really like it a lot. Also, if anybody's wondering where we got it from HomeDepot.com. Home Depot, if you want to sponsor us. I'm just kidding.
No, you're not.
No, I'm not. Well, we could use some lumber so we can build some things, you know, but hey. But we got it from HomeDepot.com and it actually came pretty fast, didn't it?
Yeah, we ordered it on the 18th. It came on the 26th.
Even after all this crazy stuff's going on and they were saying shipment was going to be slowed down and all that kind of stuff, so it came pretty fast.
I'm impressed because our nearest Home Depot is an hour away.
Yeah.
So it's better than driving.
Because we have to go to Lisbon.
So, but once we get the sides off and we start pulling her out, we'll show you guys how to set her up. Alright guys, we ended up getting the walls off and comes with a bunch of different packages. Right, Scarlett?
Oh, those have the wheels on.
Probably, yeah.
And it says wheels. Oh yeah. And it's set up.
Hold on, no, do that.
But where are we gonna build it?
Apollo, how do you think it goes?
Like that. A piece of wood goes right here. And then
I don't think
Oh
so.
my goodness.
I think you take this out
Oh.
and you hook that in there and then put that back in, and then once you push it this way, it goes backwards, but
Okay guys, I'm going to cut the straps on it, but then I have to move this, so from that point, this can fall.
And a quart of oil in one box. Another box, I'm guessing this is the wheels.
Hey, Mama!
Oh yeah.
Not the wheels.
Oh, beautiful. Okay.
And then last box.
I'm looking for the instructions.
Last box, we don't know what it is. It's a mystery. It's a mystery.
Uh-oh.
What is it?
I don't know.
Engine side, these are the
Oh,
for catching the wood.
log table.
No directions. Just gotta guess.
Okay. No? Yeah.
All guessing. I bet you it's underneath here where all the nails and stuff are.
Oh, it is.
Well, all the bolts and...
Yeah. Yeah, it is under here. That.
Well, I have straps. So.
Okay, Apollo, back up. Back up.
Back up.
This little baby just wants to explore. Scarlet.
He's an outdoor baby.
To the trunnion mount. No, you didn't record that.
Yeah. You want to pull it out?
I don't know how. Oh, no.
On life. Ah! Just kidding. There's a wolf in our yard. Luna! So this is where we're at.
Almost done.
We're almost done. We put the little side tables on. And got her standing on here. Here's a side view of it.
I finished my monster.
Guys, we got her all set up. We're putting some gasoline in there. We're gonna start her up. This is what she looks like from the side view.
Hopefully
Sexy.
She runs as good as she looks.
Yeah, right?
Turn the gas on. That's right. Choke it. Let her. Okay. Can I?
Well,
First pull, really?
yeah. Woot woot!
Thank goodness. I don't want to rev the heck out of it right away. Whoa. We got a wood splitter, honey.
I know. I'm excited. We're gonna try and split a piece of wood now that she's up and moving. Oh yes! Oh yes! Look at that! Sweet! So you guys, I guess here it is. From box to finish. She works. She pretty much almost started on the first try.
You want to throw her in the wood stove, Pete?
And we'll give an update once we start splitting actually like a ton of wood to let you guys know how it goes and that kind of stuff.
Yep.
Great day. Thanks for watching.